Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. Today's date is August 5th, 2024, so let's get started. Dollar versus Swiss moved down sharply from last week after technically testing the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart up here, finding willing sellers, and then it was down, down, down. We came down to a low price right here on Friday and stalled the fall at that point. Today we're seeing additional selling to the downside. So what's a catalyst for the sharp move lower in the dollar versus Swiss? Well, flight to safety flows into the Swiss franc and overall dollar selling as well, leading to the sharp declines in that currency. It's been one of the strongest currencies. The weakest dollar Swiss is one of the weakest of the major currencies. Now, technically speaking, the low price that we saw on Friday came within this swing area through here. And if you go back in time and you take a look at this area right through here, you can see there's a swing high right here, swing high right here, swing high right here, swing high right here, and then we moved to the upside here, and then moved back to the downside. We came down to swing lows right here, swing lows right here. So that defined this swing area right through here. And on Fridays, a sharp move to the downside. Buyers tried to come in, or it did come in against that level, but it was still near the lows for the week. In trading here today, we opened up and moved a little bit higher and then rotated to the downside. You can see that on the hourly chart. If I move to the hourly chart and maybe spread it out a little bit here, get a better view, you can see how the price low came here into that yellow area, bounced back into the close, and trading here today we moved a little bit higher and then rotated to the downside. When we broke below the low of this area right here, it was momentum to the downside, corrected move back into that level, and rotation to the downside. So guess what? What next? Okay, this area is going to be our resistance level between 0.8549 and 0.8579. If the price is able to stay below that level, then the sellers would be more in control. I'm going to put a Fibonacci retracement on this. The next level above that level, we'd look at the 38.2% retracement of this move down at 0.8601. So below the 86 level, interim resistance in between at 85.49 to 85.79. Look for that on any sort of a rotation to the upside. Now on the downside, you see this swing area through here, and notice here that the initial low price right here found support against the low of that swing area before moving to the upside and breaking below this level. Now this break below the level should have sent the price lower, but it didn't. We started a rotation back to the upside. So that's given us a little bit more of the power to the upside. So where's that area come from? And I'm gonna go back to the 4-hour chart and go back to this area right through here. On the 4-hour chart, we had a swing high right here, a swing high right here, broke above that level, used that level as support to move to the upside, and then came back down and retested this swing area through here and here and here before moving to the upside and not returning to that level until today, where the price moved below that area right through here and then failed and then rotated back to the upside. So this is going to be the next target on the downside that we need to get to and through to increase the bearish bias. If we do that, then we'll look for a new low below the 0.8432 level, and opens the door for further downside momentum. Just taking a quick look at the daily chart here, and if we look at it, just for giggles, look at where this trend line comes in. And this trend line was from all this high way up here, and that level may be a level of support, but the low price from 2000 and looks like 2023 came in at 0.833118, and that's going to be a target on the downside of further selling. We are obviously near low levels here in the dollar versus Swiss, so there's a temptation to buy. Watch that level on the 4-hour chart. Maybe this trend line through here off the daily chart might be another level that might look to stick a toe in the water. But if it goes below those levels, don't get in the way, because trends are fast, directional, tend to move farther than what you think. So be aware, be prepared. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.